Hola amigos, it's Adam, travel advisor, Oshawa Travel. In this video, we're going to show you the RIU Party coming from Cancun Mexico's RIU Palace Las Americas. Specifically the White Party, which happens on Wednesday nights. They also have the Pink Party on Friday afternoons, the Neon Party on Saturday nights, and the Jungle Party on Monday afternoons. So you get 2 during the day and 2 during the night. So you can go to the lobby and the entertainment staff. Any RIU in the area, you go to the lobby and they can give you a free face paint before you leave, take some pictures. There's a shuttle that will take you over to the RIU Caribe. All the RIUs in Cancun, Mexico will go to the RIU Caribe for the party. So at the Las Americas, we're beside the RIU Cancun. So our shuttle was just our hotel and people from the RIU Cancun. Their shuttle only takes about 5 minutes to get down the street. Once you arrive, you have lockers to store any towels, change of clothes. You got the same free drinks you can get from your resort. I didn't go in the pool, but the pool there is just knee height. Can't do any swimming, it's just partying. They have a snack bar in the corner, so you get some food, chicken fingers, pizza. Overall, I had a great time. I definitely recommend trying out at least one of the parties if you go to a RIU in this area. Thanks so much for watching. Please like this video if it helped you out, and subscribe if you want to see some more travel content.